Can you solve this JAMB question in under 30 seconds? What of this one? In this video, I will show you the simple logic behind solving them. Welcome to LogicBridge Academy. Remember, before calculating anything, we must understand what the question is asking. This first question is saying, find without using logarithm table the value of log 27 base 3 minus log 64 base 1 over 4 all over log 1 all over 81 base 3. These are the options: A, 7 over 4, B, minus 7 over 4, C, minus 3 over 2, and D, 7 all over 3. Now, solution. Remember, in our laws of logarithm class, we discussed that logarithms dislike large numbers. So now we should find a way to reduce these large numbers, 27, 64, and 81, to the smallest number possible. Not just smallest number possible, but number with respect to their respective bases. This is base 20, this is base 3, base 1 over 4, and base 3 as well. So we know that 27, 64, and 81. These are the three numbers that we need to reduce with respect to their bases. This is base 3. We know that 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So we have 3 raised to power 3. This is 64. We know that 64 is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4, which is equals to 4 power 3 as well. And this is 81. 81 is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is the same thing as 3 power 4. So therefore, simply, instead of log 27 here, we can simply have log 3 power 3 base 3 minus log, instead of 64, we can have 4 power 3. Since our number is 4 and our base is 1 over 4, we know that 1 over 4 also is the same thing as 4 power minus 1. So we can have 4 power minus 1 all over log 1 all over, this is 81, which is the same thing as 3 power 4. So we have 3 power 4 base 3. Then, before using the power law, let's simplify 1 over 3 as 3 power minus 4. So we can simply have something like this: log 3 power 3 base 3 minus log 4 power 3 base 4 power minus 1 all over log 3 power minus 4 base 3. So we can now apply our power law. We know that whenever we have power, the power comes in front as what? Coefficient. So here we are going to have 3. So we are going to have 3 log 3 base 3 minus, whenever we have, this is 3, so it becomes of 3, while this is minus 1. Remember, minus 1 over 1. So we have log 4 base 4 all over, minus 4 log 3 base 3. And remember, logarithm of its own base is 1. When we have log a base a, this is equals to 1. So here we have log 3 base 3, 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So we have 3 minus 3 minus 3. This turns to plus, right? So we have plus log 4 base 4 is 1. So we have plus 3 all over minus 4. So this is equals to 3 plus 3, 6 all over 4. All over minus 4, sorry. So we have 2 here, 3, 2 here, 2. So we have minus 3 all over 2. Minus 3 all over 2. Minus 3 all over 2. The second question is saying, without using table, evaluate log 4 base 2 plus log 2 base 4 minus log 5 base 25. So we can say this is what? Addition and subtraction of logarithms. but the logarithms are of different bases. So the options are 1 over 2, 1 over 5, 0, and 2. This question is very simple. The only logic we need to find here is the relationship between the number and the base. 4, 2, 2, 4, 5, 25, which is very simple. 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. 5 square is what? 25. So simply we can have something like this. Log 2 power 2 base 2 plus log 2 power 2, log 2 base 2 power 2 minus log 5 base 5 power 2, right? 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 5 square 25. So we can now apply our power law. We know that this comes as coefficients. So we have 2 log 2 base 2 plus, remember when the power is at the base, so this thing will be reciprocated. Instead of 2, we are going to have what? 1 all over 2. So we have 1 all over 2 log 2 base 2 minus the same thing here. Since the power is at the base, we are going to have 1 all over 2 again. So we have 1 all over 2 log 5 base 5. Remember, logarithm of its own base. This is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. So therefore, we will have 2 plus 1 all over 2 minus 1 all over 2. Plus 1 all over 2 minus 1 all over 2 cancel. So our solution here is 2. So therefore, the solution D. This is LogicBridge Academy. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.